Whispers rise beneath the moon. Stone becomes crystal, it remembers the sound. Love unconditional, the heartbeat unbound. In the pulse of the earth, in the hum of the sky, we ascend, where the frequencies minerals sing in a language of time. Frequencies dance in patterns sublime. Density fades, divinity flows. A crystal awakens, it glows.